Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. BeautyBigBang will be having a Black Friday sale and they've very kindly sent me 2 stamping plates to swatch and review. Information about their sale can be found on their social media as well as in the description box below. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing BeautyBigBang stamping plates XL-093 and XL094. And as always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below, along with my discount code for you to use as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I'll be starting with XL093. I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. I'll be taking 3 swatches from each plate. For the first swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. Now once I've scraped and picked up the snowflake design, I will remove anything that is below it just because I only want the snowflakes. But a gorgeous image, one I know I'll be using very soon. For the next swatch I'll be using a gold coloured nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. Now because this image is small, I will remove anything below it again. And I'm going to place this at the top of the nail tip just so that it's coming down the nail. This is a very interesting design, but I love reindeer stag designs and it will be interesting to use in a mani as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. With this image I'm going to again remove the excess because I'm going to be placing this diagonally across the nail. I feel doing this with designs like this just helps get more of the design onto the nail tip, but it's a gorgeous design again, really interesting image. Moving on to BeautyBigBang XL094. For the first swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a dark blue stamping polish. These snowmen are so cool. You could very easily make this into a reverse stamp, making each snowman a different colour, but such a brilliant image for a festive winter season. I can see this being a popular image to use as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a red coloured nail tip along with a molten silver stamping polish. Now once this image has been stamped, it stamps really well, but the silver stamping polish can make it hard to be seen. It does look a lot better in person. If I was to use this image again, I wouldn't use silver, but it's still a really nice design, very festive. For the next swatch I'll be using a nude brown coloured nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. Now I've said before, I love reindeer stag designs and this one I absolutely love. I almost used it for my mani, but I love using silhouette reindeer stag images, so I expect I'll be using this design very soon as well, but it's a gorgeous image. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these BeautyBigBang Christmas stamping plates. BeautyBigBang XL093 has some really interesting designs. There is 3 large images and 1 small design on the far left hand side. In the middle there is 12 small to medium sized designs, and then on the far right there is 5 long thin lined designs. Now with the long thin designs I've added them across the nail pop stick like I did in the video just to show most of the design off. You'll see how I've used one of them in my mani later on, and as always I've created a mani for both stamping plates. They aren't full on festive designs, I'm leaving that for the month of December. With the large snowflake and stocking design on the far left, I've taken 2 different swatches from both of them. This just shows how you can use just part of the image or all of it depending on the size of your nails. With the 12 images in the middle, some of them will make really good accent nails like the Best Wishes or the tree. If you have longer nails like me, then a lot of these images will have gaps, but you could either double stamp or you could add something extra to the nail. This is definitely an interesting stamping plate though, and one which I could see being very popular. I like that BeautyBigBang stamping plates have something really different and unusual designs to them to use. Some of the designs like the snowman, the little bears, the angel, the baubles, the stockings could very easily add some extra colour to them to really bring them to life. It would again add something different to them. For this mani I went with a mint green gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a teal green stamping polish. I've only added stamping to 2 of the nails, but I've picked up the whole line of the image and added 2 small sections across the nail. It works really well, and I've also turned these 2 nails matte as well. On the other 3 nails I've added a green multi-cut glitter which goes alongside beautifully, and I've left them glossy. Now I don't think I've ever made a mani where I've had both matte and glossy nails, but I absolutely love this mani. It's very different for me. BeautyBigBang XL094 has 14 large style designs which are all very festive, great for winter and festive manis. With large style designs like these, I always do 2 lines of polish when I stamp them. I just feel this covers the whole image without flooding the whole design. I am noticing people are now starting to do this. It's a great way of using an image. You would have seen me do this with all of the large designs from any swatch review. It's just the way I like to work, but these images are amazing and would work with the previous stamping plate and also the other 5 festive stamping plates I've recently swatched from BeautyBigBang. I like the mix of festive and winter designs like the snowman, penguin, presents and reindeers would make great festive manis. And then for the autumn winter manis there is acorns, swirls, sweater designs, reindeer images. So I feel this plate can be used from autumn all the way through the whole of the winter months. I do look at plates and I like to see how long I'd be able to use a seasonal plate for, and I feel that XL094 could be used for quite a long time. All of the swatches have turned out really well. I do want to sit down with the 7 BeautyBigBang festive stamping plates to see what will work with what. So for the mani I went with a new nude gel polish as my base colour, and it's stunning. I've also stamped in a dark brown stamping polish. This seems to be a favourite colour combo for me at the moment. I've used 2 different designs, the acorn and the leaf snowflake. They work so well together, and I do feel this is more autumnal and very early winter mani, but a mani like this would be very popular to create. And I've also turned it matte as well. It would also look really great glossy. I love how this mani has turned out, and I really do like it. It's beautiful. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these BeautyBigBang festive stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.